Hey guys, this is Rifa here and welcome to my new video. I've been waiting for a long time to get my hands on this particular product. It is the 2020 TCL 6 series model named R635 which was released last week. It is one of the most exciting TVs on the market right now for several reasons. It has full array mini LED backlight technology that offers greater contrast levels and deeper blacks which will help with better picture quality. It has up to 240 local dimming zones and the number of local dimming zones will vary depending upon the size of the TV. And we will get to that later. It has 120Hz native panel refresh rate. And more than anything, it is affordable. So without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So what do we have inside the box? There are two legs that go with the TV and the screws to attach them, power cord, TV remote, two AAA batteries, and let's get started guide. These are some sturdy legs and they are supposed to help hide the wires. So let's attach them and find out. These are standard Phillips head screws and you don't need any special tools other than the one screwdriver you have at home. Always place the TV on something softer like a blanket to avoid any potential scratches, and find a table higher than your waist as it will be easier to lift the TV and your back will thank you for it. Let's attach the power cord and lift it back up. This is how the back of the TV looks. It is fairly simple and there are Visa mount points if you wall mount the TV, and the top half looks very glossy and premium. So glossy that you can actually see your face. Let's talk about the I/O. On one side we have port for AC power and the power cable can be hidden by passing it through the leg. So that's pretty good cable management. And on the other side we have a power button at the bottom and an optical and 3.5mm port for audio input and output, a USB port, cable or antenna port, and moving up we have 4 HDMI and one of them supports ER, which is enhanced audio return channel that helps simplify connectivity to soundbars and AV receivers. All 4 HDMI ports support auto latency mode and variable refresh rate. While these features are standard with HDMI 2.1, none of the 6 series TVs has a dedicated HDMI 2.1 port. And at the very top we have an Ethernet port. Time to peel off the plastic on the front. Now let's switch on the TV for the first time. Right off the bat, it looks very good. It's a standard Roku system, and if you have a Roku account, everything is going to be set up very easily. Roku is one of the best and most user-friendly smart TV platform I have ever used. I think it has the most number of apps compared to other smart TV platforms. This is the remote that comes with the TV. It is small and easy to use. It has hotkeys for the popular streaming apps. And on the side we have volume up, volume down and mute buttons. You can also control the TV from Roku app on your phone. This TV has voice recognition and it takes standard commands, and you can connect the TV to Google Home too. Open Netflix. This TCL 6 series is very sleek with chrome finish on its side, and having mini LEDs as backlighting helps TCL to keep this TV considerably thinner, and this TV looks and feels really premium. It has thin uniform bezel all around, but it is not dramatically non-existent as they show on the box or in the promos. Before I show and talk about the picture quality, let's look at the tech involved in making the 6 series TV. It has mini LEDs as backlighting, and as the name suggests, they are smaller than the standard LEDs used in TVs. And according to TCL, the benefits of mini LED in 6 series include better uniformity, more powerful brightness and higher contrast precision. As this is a QLED TV, on top of the mini LED layer there is a QLED panel, which is a quantum dot layer which further helps with the picture quality. I will leave the links in the description below if you want to learn more about QLED TVs. Because there is not a lot of 4K HDR content out there, the 6 series still relies heavily on its AIPQ engine to transform HD to 4K content. It does this using 3 algorithms, one for color, one for clarity and one for contrast. The other big feature addition is THX certified game mode. It is a special picture mode for video games that combines low input lag with features like auto game mode, which turns on game mode automatically when connected to a compatible device, and variable refresh rate, which reduces tearing and other artifacts in some games. Let's look at the picture quality. The colors on this TV are so amazing and any HDR content will look absolutely stunning. The TV comes out of the box in low power mode, but change it to movie mode because I feel movie mode depicts the right picture quality. The TCL 6 series supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and I think if you're spending more than $500, it is blasphemous to buy a TV which does not support Dolby Vision because you are losing out on something which is absolutely great. If you have Netflix and want to watch all the great content, this is the TV you should get. The black levels and contrast on this TV are really good. There is not a lot of blooming around the objects thanks to the local dimming zones this TV has and how well it uses them. And unless you put it beside an OLED TV, I don't think you will be able to notice the difference between the black levels. The model here is a 55-inch one. TCL 6 series comes in 3 sizes, and number of local dimming zones vary across the sizes in the following way. 75-inch has 240 local dimming zones, 65-inch has 160 local dimming zones, and finally 55-inch has 128 local dimming zones. Let's talk about the pricing and see how affordable they are. 55-inch is retailing at $650, 65-inch at $900, and 75-inch at $1,400. I think 55 and 65-inch versions are gonna be the ones which will be sold the most. And 75-inch version, even though it costs $1,400, it is a fraction of what the 75 version TVs cost from Samsung, LG or Sony with comparable picture quality. If you wait for a couple more months, these TVs will cost at least couple $100 less when they go for sale on Black Friday. I'm gonna leave the links for these TVs and where you can buy them in the description below. Here are my final thoughts. This is one of the best TVs on the market right now, and if you are planning to buy one, you should definitely consider the TCL 6 series. This TV has great contrast levels and deeper blacks, and with full array local dimming, this is a complete package. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please leave any kind of feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Have a good day.